Throughout history, no book has uplifted and protected the status of women like the Qur'an. At a time when women were denied inheritance, honor, and voice, Allah revealed verses restoring their dignity, defining their rights, and commanding men to honor them. Creation and equality. Allah reminds us in Surah An-Nisa 4:1, "O mankind, fear your Lord, who created you from one soul and created from it its mate." Men and women were created from the same origin, equal in worth and purpose, laying the foundation for all their rights and responsibilities. Purity and respect. And they ask you about menstruation. It is harm, so keep away from wives during it until they are pure. This law is mercy, ensuring women's comfort and dignity. Then in Surah Al-Baqarah 2:28, Allah emphasizes equality, and due to the wives is similar to what is expected of them. Both men and women hold responsibilities and rights, highlighting fairness in marital life. Marriage and compassion. During divorce, Allah commands care and kindness. Either retain them in kindness or release them with goodness, and do not keep them intending harm. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:31. Do not prevent them from remarrying. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:32. Even separation must honor her dignity. Mothers are also protected. Mothers may breastfeed their children for 2 complete years. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:33. The father must provide for them fairly, a divine balance of care and responsibility. In Surah An-Nisa 4:3, Allah regulates polygamy. Marry women of your choice, 2, 3, or 4. But if you fear you cannot do justice, then marry only one. Even permissible actions must follow fairness and justice. Men are reminded in Surah An-Nisa 4:34 to be protectors and maintainers, not tyrants, but caretakers of women. Women's financial rights are clearly safeguarded. Give women their dowry graciously. Surah An-Nisa 4:4. For men is a share, and for women is a share, an obligatory portion. Surah An-Nisa 4.7. Inheritance is guaranteed, whether the estate is large or small, a revolutionary protection in a time when women had none. Even in managing household expectations. In Surah An-Nisa 4:19. Live with them in kindness. If you dislike them, perhaps you dislike a thing, and Allah makes therein much good. Contentment and fairness are required for all. In 24:30-31, Allah commands both men and women to lower their gaze and guard modesty. Elderly women are given leniency in Surah An-Nur 24:60, showing that divine law considers compassion and practicality. The Prophet's wives are addressed in Surah Al-Ahzab 33:32-33, setting examples of dignity and modesty. Allah then proclaims in Surah Al-Ahzab 33:35, "Indeed, the believing men and believing women, for them, Allah has prepared forgiveness and a great reward." Spiritual worth is equal. Faith, piety, and righteousness are measured by deeds, not gender. In Surah Al-Ahzab 33:59, women are commanded to wear cloaks to protect their dignity and safety, not as restriction. Faith, migration, and respect. Believing women who migrated for Islam were honored, and their pledges accepted. Surah Al-Mumtahana 60:10-12, showing their devotion and courage. Finally, in Surah At-Talaq 65:1-7, divorce is regulated with mercy. Women are cared for during the waiting period, iddah, never harmed and treated justly. Verse by verse, the Qur'an restores women's honor, protects their rights, and emphasizes their spiritual equality. Women are not inferior, hidden, or oppressed. They are honored creations of Allah, valued in faith, family, and society. Allah reminds us in Surah An-Nahl 16:97, "Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while being a believer, we will surely cause them to live a good life." This content is for educational purposes only. Visit our short section for quick Islamic insights. Every share of knowledge is a reward. Like, subscribe, and let ClickDEEN reach more hearts.